Hi, hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'll be showing you the proper methods to planting a tree, such as this Norway maple that I with me today. Whether you're volunteering with us to plant, or you're watching at home to plant yourself, this is a quick and simple video for you to follow along to. For materials, you're going to need a shovel, planting soil, gloves if you prefer, possibly a hand rake, and your tree with your pot. The first step is to choose a proper location. You want to consider things like sunlight requirements and the space the tree will need for future growth. The second step is to clear any debris and dig a hole. If there's something like rocks or wood chips in your area, you want to clear that with a hand rake or a tool of that sort. I don't have any debris here, so we'll get right into digging. You want to dig a hole about 1.5 times wider than the pot with similar depth. Okay, so the next step after digging your hole is to transplant your tree. First, you want to turn the pot like this and gently tap it from the bottom until the tree comes out. If you see a lot of root development on the sides and on the bottom, you want to use your fingers to break that apart so that the roots are able to expand into the native soil. Here, I don't have a lot of roots, so you do not need to break it apart. Afterwards, just place the bulb inside. Then you want to mix in a mixture of the original soil and your potting soil. The final step is to water your plant. You don't want to use anything that concentrates the water in one spot. Instead, use something like a gentle shower to water all around the plant. Well, that's your tree. I recommend checking daily for things like proper growth and pests. And make sure you're watering daily depending on your tree's needs. Thank you for watching. My name is Marmik from PlantForever.